Now, I imagine most of you have clicked on this video knowing exactly what Ganesh Chaturthi is and why you need invites. If that's you, stick around and I'll show you how to quickly create an invite that's not only beautiful, but something people would want to keep. A keepsake, reminding them of the joyous occasion. For everyone else who hasn't come across Ganesh Chaturthi before, well, please allow me to explain. Hi, I'm Prateek, a senior backend engineer here at Canva. I'm so excited to share Ganesh Chaturthi with you. At its basic level, it's a 10-day Hindu festival celebrated with great joy and devotion to honor the birth of Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed deity known for wisdom, prosperity, and removal of obstacles. It's a festival that holds a special place in the hearts of millions around the world, beginning on the 4th day of the Hindu lunisolar calendar month Bhadrapad, which typically falls in August or September. Families come together to install a clay idol of Lord Ganesha in their homes. It's often placed on a raised platform and decorated with flowers and lights. Daily prayers, hymns, and rituals are performed. This usually includes offerings of sweets, fruits, and flowers to the deity. Special dishes are also prepared, including modak and laddu, considered Lord Ganesha's favorite sweets. On the 10th day, the idol is immersed in a body of water in a ritual called Visarjan. Many people believe this symbolizes Lord Ganesha's return to Mount Kailash, taking away the various obstacles of the house. Many families also participate in community celebrations with large public idols, cultural performances, and processions. The air is filled with the sound of bells, chants, and the joyous celebration of the deity's arrival. It's also a big time for charities, where people take the opportunity to share the joy with people in need. I hope that gives you a broad introduction to the festival. Invites, which this video is all about, they've become an important personal touch, announcing the celebration at your home or community and providing information about the dates and times of key rituals and events. Thankfully, with Canva, they're incredibly easy to make. Let me show you how. One easy way to begin is to start inspired with the pre-existing templates. It's a great way to get some inspiration as well. Choose to customize and it will open up in the editor. Everything is customizable, which is good because this is feeling a little too traditional for my event. Let's delete this graphic and see what else we could find in the Element tab. Oh, nice. I love these more abstract versions. I'll make this the centerpiece of my design. Ganpati Bappa Moria is an expression of deep reverence and devotion. I can resize by grabbing these handles. Change fonts like this. I can change colors here. Add more text like this. Okay, this is looking good. I might just add in a few extra graphics. It's so quick to apply your own personal flavor to a template. That's why I always use them as a starting point. It just means you instantly have something to work with, not the dreaded blank page. Okay, let's include some specifics on the back. Here, I can add an additional page. Copy and paste some elements from the front just to save time. I'll add the address details and everything else I need. Let's put an RSVP here. In fact, if you're expecting a lot of people, you could include a QR code. People could scan it and fill in a form to say if they're coming. Now, I don't know about you, but I could never get away with creating a design for a family event without getting family approval. Let me show you how easy it is to collaborate with them. Just go here and enter their emails. You can choose what permission you want them to have here. For instance, Auntie is only getting commenting rights. I don't want her messing around with the design too much. Everyone can jump in and start designing in real time with you. That's a great suggestion. Gradients are easy to add. Select the background, choose the Add Color button. Select Gradient and then choose the colors and gradient style. Okay, I'm liking it. Let's see what they think. Oh good, they seem to like it. When everyone is happy, I can go here to print. I'm choosing double-sided square cards. Options may vary depending on where you are in the world. I love these previews. They give you a really great idea of what the finished product will look like. I'll choose to include envelopes. That way, I can just write the addresses and send them out. Choose the other details and quantity and hit continue. How easy is that? They come with a happiness guarantee, free delivery, and a one print, one tree promise. It's printing you can feel good about. But what if you need something out ASAP? Well, in that case, you could keep it digital. Before I show you that, check out these other videos from our Tips from the Team playlist. It's really an amazing way to learn Canva design skills and see how it can level up your communication. We upload design tips and tricks every week, taught by Canva insiders like me. Okay, where were we? Sending invites digitally couldn't be easier in Canva. By choosing the view only link, you'll generate an address. You can send people via messaging services, email, WhatsApp groups, however you keep in touch. This is what they'll see, and they can react down here or reshare here. If you're staying digital, you should think about adding some movement. Go into the animation menu after selecting an element and hover over the styles to see what they do. The breathe one suits this element, I think. It's subtle. For this element, I'm going to choose the Create an Animation tool. This way, I can create my own path. Nice. I'm also going to add some music to this. Have it fade in. And select Beat Sync so the page change is automatically timed with the music. Let's go back to the link and see how it feels. Okay, that's looking and sounding great. Isn't it simple? So, printed versions to create a keepsake that people want to collect, or a digital version full of movement and music. The choice is yours. Any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear it. Put it in the comments below and we'll get back to you. And if you're celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi this year, may the divine blessings of Lord Ganesha fill your home with joy, prosperity, and success. Until next time. Oh hey, seems like you're still with us. Looking for something else to watch? You should check out our playlist. It's full of good stuff. Oh, that reminds me, this video might be worth a watch now. See you next time.